Hey Rosebuds, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be doing a meal prep video. As you know, the meal prep is a real thing and it can really just make life less stressful for you. And you know, no worries, you prep on a Sunday, you prep on a weekend, you have food for the whole week. Now, isn't that great? Isn't that a great stress reliever? So today I'll be doing some stewed chicken, grilled chicken, and some salmon. So I'm just starting out by just doing a little seasoning, just a little olive oil, some parsley, and some salt. I'm not a heavy seasoner because I have sensitive stomach, so I use minimal seasoning. So I'm just, getting my meat, getting it ready, and I'll be using a cast iron pan to grill my chicken. So my pot is hot. I'm gonna go ahead and just add my chicken. I'm just doing 3 pieces of chicken. So my grilled chicken is going, and I'm gonna start to do my stewed chicken now. So I'm just gonna use a little browning to give it that color, and I'm just gonna do it yourself for browning. So I'm just gonna do some sugar, burn it like, and then I'm gonna add my chicken. So this will give the chicken the color, give it a little brown color. So I'm adding my chicken, and just gonna coat it with that browning. Okay guys, so my chicken is brown, it's cooked, and my other chicken is done, my grilled chicken is done. So I'm going to be doing some pasta salad, and I'm going to be doing my salmon as well. So I'm using gluten-free pasta, and I'm just going to add some frozen vegetables to it. So my pasta is finished, and I'm just adding a little butter to it. That's all. So guys, my food is ready, and I just have my containers, my meal prep containers, and I'm using glass as opposed to plastic. Just trying to minimize the microplastics and everything. So I'm just plating my food in the meal prep containers. So as you know, I have some brown stewed chicken, I have the salmon, and I have the grilled chicken. So I'm gonna get 7 meals out of everything that I have prepared, so I can have meals for the next dinner or lunch for the next couple days. I decided to add some greens to it, so I sauteed some kale and I just add that to the stewed chicken. So I will definitely be freezing these meals and just take them out and thaw them out, eat them up as needed. So this is my meal prep for the week. Make my life so much easier. So guys, this is it, and if you like to see more meal prep, just leave a comment down below. And if you meal prep too, you can say what you meal prep and how it has been good for you, or it's not, or if you're not the person who likes to eat frozen food, leave a comment down below. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.